Today on the menu is the super simple veggie pasta with fresh cavatelli, marinated tomatoes, and some tender broccolini. It's perfect for lunch or dinner and is very easy to customize, so let's get into it. First up is the pasta. So make a flour well with 00 flour if you have it, otherwise bread flour can work too. Add in the egg yolks, olive oil, water, and salt, then gently bring it together with a fork until it forms into a solid mass. Keep adding flour until it becomes workable, then knead for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the dough has come together, you're going to roll it out to about the thickness of your pinky. Feed it through a pasta machine once or twice on the thickest setting. Cut the dough into strips and then again into small, even strips. Using your thumb, press down onto the pasta and push forward, creating a flattened curl. This is the typical shape of cavatelli, but if you're really good at it, you can get the pasta edges to barely touch on each piece. Next up is the marinated tomatoes. So slice up some cherry tomatoes along with some chopped fresh rosemary and thyme. Then you're going to mix them together in a bowl with some grated garlic, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, and fresh cracked black pepper. Cover and let this sit in the fridge for 1 hour or overnight if possible. Alright, so now for the pasta, you're going to get a pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Then you're going to add in the fresh cavatelli pasta and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until al dente. Then get a saute pan on medium heat with some olive oil in it. Then add in the cooked pasta, some of the marinated tomatoes and the juices, blanched broccolini, and a little pasta water. Give this a few tosses to coat the pasta in all those wonderful flavors, and it is time to plate this up. Now this pasta is served up very, very simple with some fresh chives on top and a generous helping of cheap Parmesan cheese for a very easy lunch or dinner for the family. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe, and if you did, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and drop a recipe request in the comments below. I'll see you guys next time with another video.